Hello, dear friends. My name is MR, and I welcome to you all to my educational channel called Samagra Shiksha. So, today's in this video, we are going to see BA second year 4th semester compulsory English. Some one-liner multiple choice question with their answer. Some the play all unit MCQ. Hence, we have more question. Let's see the question one by one now. So friends, let's start without wasting time. If you are new to this channel, first of all, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon and share with friends. Let's start it. First question: who wrote the Last Salvation? The answer is R.P. Sisudia. The answer is R.P. Sisudia. Next question: what is full form of R.P. Sisudia? The answer is Ram Prakash Sisudia. Next question: The Last Salvation is a story taken from dash. The answer is A World Lost. Next, A World Lost written by dash. The answer is R.P. Sisudia. Next, in which year author joined in IS? The answer is 1991. Next, what his stories tried to show? The answer is a mirror the contemporary society. Next, the story The Last Salvation begins on a dash. The answer is rainy monsoon night. Next question: how did Motibai manage to protect his little baby from the rain? The answer is to find a dry patch in the hut to keep the baby. Next question: a sizable chunk of the population in Rewari was made up of dash. The answer is middle class people. Next, why would the daughter-in-law not allow Motibai to sleep in the main house? Dash. The answer is she feared that she or her son would catch TB. Next question: the narrator is a dash by profession. The answer is police constable. Next question: why did the narrator never ask his elder brother money? The answer is the narrator knew that the elder brother was unable to help him financially. Next question: where did Motibai want to go? The answer is Kumbh Mela. Next question: where did Motibai live in her old age? The answer is in a makeshift but hut. Where did Motibai live in her old age? The answer is in a makeshift hut. Next question: why did Bharti curse Motibai? The answer is because she was suffering from TB. Next question: how much share of the property did the narrator brother get? The answer is half of it. Next question: why did Motibai prefer to stay with the younger son? The answer is because of the verbal assault of her sharp-tongued daughter-in-law. Next question. The second part of the story, The Last Salvation, begins dash. The answer is in the twilight of a chilly mid-December morning. Next question. What was Mutibai grandson name? The answer is Ragha. Next question. What was the business of Mohan? The answer is packing dairy products and selling them in Delhi. Next question. When did the Kumbh Mela take place? The answer is once in 12 years. Once in 12 years. Next question. Why did Bharti agree to take Motibai to the Kumbh Mela? The answer is because she planned to get rid of Motibai. Next question. The narrator describes the Seminyak sadhus on the shore of the Sangam dash. The answer is unkindly, loathsome and hateful. Next question. Why did Bharti wake up the narrator in the midnight? The answer is because she wanted to go back to Rewari. Next question. How did the narrator react on Bharti's proposal? The answer is the narrator easily agreed to the proposal. Next question. How did Bharti solve the narrator's question about his mother? The answer is Bharti told the narrator that the philanthropic organization would look after his mother. Next question. Rewari is situated in the dash. The answer is northern part of Haryana. Next question. Who wrote Forgetting? The answer is Robert Land. Next question. The Forgetting has written by dash. The answer is Robert Land. Next question. Robert Land has described about dash. The answer is Forgetting. Next question. Forgetting is predominantly found in dash. The answer is young age. Next question. Divide of good memory lead to dash. The answer is eccentric behavior. Next question. The essay begins with the writer's surprise at the publication of a list of articles lost by dash. The answer is travelers at a railway station in London. Dash. The next question. What is required for survival in any great modern city? The answer is efficient memory. Next question. What is required for survival in any great modern city? The answer is efficient memory. Next question. Who suffer from forgetting? The answer is everyone. Next question. Whose essays are characterized by humor, wit, and a polished style? The answer is Robert Land. Next question. Who often forget her walking stick, pen, and umbrellas? The answer is Robert Land. Next question. Who have rushed memorized? The answer is politician and sportsman. Next question. Who have good memories? The answer is poets. Next question. Why does Lan not carry an umbrella? The answer is due to fear and of losing it. Next question. Who is the author of the story The Necklace? The answer is Guy de Maupassant. Next question. Who was beautiful and charming? The answer is Mathilde. Next question. What tortured and angered Mathilde? The answer is Sabival, worn chair, poverty. Next question. Who did receive an invitation from? The answer is the Minister of Public Education. Next question. Why did Mathilde throw away the invitation letter? The answer is she had nothing to wear. She had jewelry to carry. Next question. What was he planning to do with the money he had saved? The answer is buy her a dress. Next question. What solution did Lois come up with? The answer is asking her friend to lend some of her jewels. Next question. Why did Mathilde utter a cry when she returned home after the party? The answer is the jewels were not to be seen when she reached home. Next question. What all did the do to repay? The answer is sent away the maid, change their loading, husband working the evening and night too. Next question. What did they do to buy themselves time? The answer is wrote to her that the jewel need repairs. Next question. How long did the struggle continue for? The answer is 10 years. Next question. What did her friend say when she was told the entire story? The answer is she told that her were false. Next question. How much was the necklace actually worth? The answer is 500. Next question. Who wrote the lesson Lively wrote? The answer is R.K. Narayan. Next question. In which year Lively Road was published? The answer is 1956. Next question. For years people were not aware of the existence of a dash in a Malgudi. The answer is municipality. Next question. Lively extension was changed to dash. The answer is Gandhinagar. Next question. How does the narrator portray the character of the municipal chairman? The answer is as a great nationalist proud of his country achievement. Next question. Who had done well for himself as a supplier of blankets to the army during the war? The answer is the municipal chairman. Next question. I like to collect the statue of national heroes. Who said this? The answer is narrator. Next question. At the end of the story, How did the narrator manage to get rid of the statue? The answer is he persuaded the municipality to acquire the statue and his house as a national trust. Next question. Toward the end of the story, Dash has been renamed as the Lively Road. The answer is Kabir Lane. Next question. Where was the fictional town Malgudi situated? The answer is on the bank of the river Ganga. Next question. What was blown away by the wind out of sight? The answer is dust and rubbish. Next question. When did the country get its independence? The answer is August 15, 1947. Next question. What was the meaning of the word Cape Comorin? The answer is the former name of Kanyakumari. Next question. What had the member of the council seen in the municipal chairman's eyes? The answer is tears. Next question. How did the narrator earn his livelihood? The answer is by working for an up-country newspaper. Next question. What did municipal chairman decide to do in the extraordinary meeting called by him? The answer is to nationalize the names of all streets and parks. Next question. What was the proposal name for the park at the market square? The answer is Hamara Hindustan Park. Next question. What was the length of the statue of Sir Frederick Lively? The answer is 20 feet. Next question. How many contractors did send their estimate tender for removing the statue? The answer is a dozen. Next question. How many coolies did the narrator use to hang the pedestal? The answer is 50. Next question. Who gave the permission to the narrator to acquire few sticks of dynamite? The answer is the district magistrate. Next question. Which resolution did the municipal corporation pass? The answer is thanking the narrator for his service. Next question. When did municipal chairman come to the house of the narrator in a statue of agitation? The answer is a week later. Next question. Where was the statue of placed in Malgudi? The answer is at the corner of Lovely Extension and the market. Next question. Who used the statue at the corner of Lovely Extension and the market generally? The answer is by the bird as a perch. Next question. Dr. Vijay Bhatkar was born in Dash district of Maharashtra. The answer is Akola. Next question. Vijay Bhatkar expertise is in the field of Dash. The answer is electronics. Next question. One of Dr. Bhatkar best known innovation is the Dash. The answer is Param supercomputer. Next question. When did Dr. Bhatkar deliver Param 8000, India's first indigenous supercomputer? The answer is 1991. Next question. Which was founded by Dr. Bhatkar? The answer is CDAC, ER, and DC, I2IT. Next question. Vijay Bhatkar expertise is in the field of Dash. The answer is electronics. Next question. In recognition of the work done by him, Visay Bhatkar was awarded the in 2000 by the Government of India. The answer is Padma Shri. Next question. One day electronics will play a very important role in India's development. Who said it? The answer is Dr. Bhatkar. Next question. Dash had an opportunity to lead India's national initiative in supercomputing through the creation of the CDAC Pune. The answer is Dr. Visay Bhatkar. Next question. Dash was launched in 2001 on the IIT model. The answer is I2IT. I2IT. Next question. CDAC is a short form of. The answer is Center for Developing of Advanced Computing. Next question. When will India celebrate the century of her independence? The answer is 1947. Next question. Dr. Bhatkar founded Dash in CDAC to train software professional. The answer is Advanced Computer Training School ACTS. Next question. Dash will become tomorrow's machine for everyday use. The answer is exascale supercomputer. Next question. Who set up the Apigei group? The answer is Surendra Paul. Next question. The Apigei group began as a dash. The answer is hotel chain. Next question. The initial Apigei stand for. The answer is Amin Chand Parelal Jalandhar. Next question. The park identified itself as a dash. The answer is Boutique Hotel. Next question. What distinguishes Park Hotel from other hotels? The answer is their distinctive design. Next question. Priya Paul received the Hall of Fame award in the year dash. The answer is 2011. Next question. In 2012, Priya Paul was awarded the dash by the Government of India. The answer is Padma Shri. Next question. The Park Hotel in dash was judged one of 101 best hotel worldwide in 2003. The answer is Bengaluru. Next question. Which is true of the Apigei group? The answer is Apigei group is a major player in shipping, tea and hotel industry. Next question. Priya Paul began her career as the dash. The answer is marketing manager. Next question. When did Surendra Paul died? The answer is 1990. Next question. Priya Paul done her BA in economics from dash. The answer is Wellesley College. Next question. The Park Hotel chain had dash hotel when Priya joined the Apigei group. The answer is 3. Next question. Priya Paul worked with her father for dash year only. The answer is 2 years. Next question. Priya's dream for the group were dash. The answer is big but realistic. Next question. Priya Paul won the Young Entrepreneur of the Year award in dash. The answer is 1999 to 200. Sorry, 2000. Next question. Priya favorite holiday destination in India is dash. The answer is Goa. Next question. Which company is associated with Steve Jobs' work and career? The answer is Apple, Pixar, Disney. Next question. What was Jobs' attitude to formal schooling? The answer is he was frustrated with formal schooling. Next question. Jobs dropped out of Reed College because dash. The answer is his parent could not afford the fees. Next question. Apple Computer Company was founded by Jobs and dash. The answer is Steve Wozniak. Next question. In 1985, Jobs left Apple and founded dash. The answer is Next. Next question. In 2006, Pixar was purchased by dash. The answer is Disney. Next question. Apple became the world's most valuable publicly traded company in dash. The answer is 2011. Next question. What did Jobs' school test score reveal about him? The answer is that he was academically brilliant. Next question. Which had an impact on the typefaces in the Macintosh? The answer is Jobs attending a calligraphy class. Next question. Jobs reconnected with Stephen Wozniak in the year dash. The answer is 1974. Next question. Jobs founded Next Computer with dash million. The answer is $7. Next question. Jobs brought out Apple from bankruptcy to profitability by dash. The answer is 1998. Next question. The first 3D computer animated feature film Toy Story was produced in the year dash. The answer is 1995. Next question. Steve Jobs died at the age dash on October 5, 2011. The answer is 56. Next question. Who is the author of Say Not the Struggle, Not Avalanche? The answer is Arthur Hugh Clarke. Next question. The poet says that struggle is dash. The answer is useful sometimes. Next question. Apple Computer Company was established in the year. The answer is 1976. Next question. Apple online iTunes Store changed its name to Apple Icon. The answer is January 9, 2007. Next question. Steve Jobs introduced the iMac in the year dash. The answer is 1998. Next question. In 2003, Jobs was diagnosed with dash. The answer is pancreatic cancer. Next question. In 2009, Jobs became the chief scientist at Fusion. The answer is an American company. Next question. What does the poet mean when he says that fear may be layered? The answer is fear are useless. Next question. The poem Say Not the Struggle Not Available is about. The answer is fruit of struggle. Next question. In Say Not the Struggle Not Available, the poet presents the image of. The answer is battlefield, ticks, and sunrise. Next question. The theme of the poem Say Not the Struggle Not Available is. Yes, the answer is inspiring. Next question. What type of poem is Say Not the Struggle Not Available? The answer is sonnet. Next question. What does author Clarke wish to tell us through the poem? The answer is there is hope in a hopeless. Next question. Who have been called as dope? The answer is hopes. Next question. Who have been called as liar? The answer is fears. Next question. What imaginary has been used to show how to chase the liar? The answer is just as the soldier chase their enemies. Next question. What does the poet mean by dupe? The answer is fools. Next question. Who is the poet of the poem The Tiger and the Deer? The answer is Sri Aurobindo Ghosh. Next question. What happened to the deer in the poem The Tiger and the Deer? The answer is it was killed by the tiger in the forest. Next question. Where was the deer drinking water? The answer is woodland pool in the forest. Next question. What does the tiger stand for in the poem The Tiger and the Deer? The answer is death, darkness, and arrogance. Next question. What does the deer stand for in the poem The Tiger and the Deer? The answer is beauty in nature and healthy values of life. Next question. And it felt and turned died, remembering death. Whom does the line refer to? The answer is deer. Next question. Brilliant, crouching, slouching, that crept, dash. Whom does the line refer to? The answer is tiger. Next question. What does the soundless paw mean in the poem? The answer is swooping of death and destruction. Next question. Who has gleaming eyes and mighty chest? The answer is tiger. Next question. For whom the word mild, harmless beauty is used? The answer is deer. Next question. Who had died remembering its mate? The answer is deer. Next question. Polonius gave a lot of advice to his son Laertes when he is about to start for dash. The answer is France. Next question. Give every man they ear but few try dash. The answer is complete the line. The answer is wise. Next question. The poem Polonius to Laertes is a part of which play by Shakespeare? The answer is Hamlet. Next question. According to Polonius, borrowing and lending are enemies of dash. The answer is friendship. Next question. According to Polonius, to be true to others, one must first be dash. The answer is true to one's friend. Next question, what is Polonius advice with regard to friendship? The answer is keep your true friend close. Next question, what does the Polonius mean by give they thought no tongue? The answer is be careful while revealing your thought. Next question, the poem nature is dash. The answer is a sonnet. Next question, the poem nature is written by dash. The answer is H.W. Longfellow. Next question, in the poem nature the poet compare nature with dash. The answer is a mother. Next question, the poet use the image of child who is dash. The answer is reluctant. Next question, the mother insists her child dash. The answer is to go to bed. Next question, why does the poet draw a parallel between nature and a mother? The answer is because nature is as gentle and loving as a mother. Next question, what is the central theme of the poem? The answer is death and decay are inevitable. Next question, the tiger of speech used in the poem is dash. The answer is smile. Next question, according to the poet who take away our plaything one by one. The answer is the nature. Next question, in the poem nature the plaything symbolize dash. The answer is the earthly possession. So today we will stop at this place. If you like the video, subscribe to the channel, like it, share it with your friends, and don't forget to comment. Thank you.